Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the thermostat on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, pliers, and a drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery before you begin any work. This simple step helps avoid electrical issues. Now, let's drain the coolant. Position a suitable drain pan beneath your radiator's drain cock. Carefully open the drain cock and allow all the engine coolant to flow out completely. Once drained, you'll need to remove the air intake tube and any other components obstructing access to the thermostat housing. This provides clear working space. With access clear, loosen the hose clamp and detach the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. Next, unbolt the housing from the engine block. Carefully remove the old thermostat and thoroughly clean the mating surfaces to ensure a good seal. Install your new thermostat, making sure the spring faces the engine, and use a new gasket. Now, reattach the thermostat housing and secure the upper radiator hose. Close the radiator drain cock. Refill your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant mixture. Start the engine, allowing it to warm up and bleed any trapped air from the system. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge and check for any leaks around the new thermostat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.